Hello students, we are discussing objective from practical number 2. In this video, we are going to discuss last 5 MCQs from practical number 2. So 11th MCQ is the edge connectivity of Kn is. In our last video, already we have discussed what is edge connectivity of graph G. But again I am writing edge connectivity is minimum number of edges whose removal disconnect the graph. Whose removal disconnects the graph. So we want to calculate edge connectivity of Kn. So let us start with K3. I am drawing here K3. Suppose this edge is E1, this edge is E2 and this edge is E3. So if I remove E1, then graph will be K3 minus E is this graph, but this is not a disconnected graph. So if I remove K3 minus E1, now I am removing E1 and E2, then graph will be this, like this. This is K3 minus E1 minus E2, that is disconnected graph. So for K3, chromatic number is 2. Now I am calculating chromatic number of K4. So let us draw K4. K4. This is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. So if I draw E1, then K4 minus E1 will be like this. This is not a disconnected graph. Now I am removing E2 from this graph. So after removal of E2, graph will be like this. But this is not a disconnected graph. So again I am removing E5. If I remove E5, then graph will be like this. This is K4 minus E1, K4 minus E1 minus E2 minus E5. So to disconnect K4, we require minimum 3 edges. So for K4, we can have chromatic edge connectivity is 3. So if you observe the options, for K3, edge connectivity is not 3, or for K4, edge connectivity is not 4. So option first, that is N, is incorrect option. 1 is not edge connectivity for both. So option 1 is also incorrect. 2 option is correct for K3 but not for K4. If you are writing edge connectivity is equal to 2 for Kn, then it should have for each graph Kn edge connectivity is 2. But K4 has edge connectivity is 3, so option C is also incorrect. And we can observe for K3 edge connectivity is 2, that is 3 minus 1, and for K4 edge connectivity is 3, that is 4 minus 1. So we can conclude edge connectivity of Kn is n minus 1. So option D is correct option. So 12th MCQ is the relation between vertex connectivity K, edge connectivity K dash and minimum degree delta is. This is standard result. The relation between edge connectivity, vertex connectivity and minimum degree is K less than or equal to K dash less than or equal to delta, which is given in option C. So option C is correct option. Now G is a simple and triregular graph. Then this is also standard result. A graph G is cubic. Then a graph G is cubic graph. Then K is equal to K dash. So option first is correct option. K is equal to K dash. Option first is correct. 14 is the edge connectivity of G graph G is. Already we have discussed it in MCQ number 12. The result is K less than or equal to K dash less than or equal to delta, where K is vertex connectivity, K dash is edge connectivity and delta is minimum degree. They have asked about edge connectivity and degree of vertex. So we are considering only second part of this inequality, that is K dash less than or equal to delta. So let us see whether this option is given or not. nothing to do with degree of vertices of graph. This is incorrect because k dash is always less than or equal to minimum degree of D. So first option is incorrect. Equal to maximum degree of graph G, it is less than or equal to delta. So we cannot say it is equal to maximum degree of graph G. So option B is also incorrect. Equal to minimum degree of graph G, no, it is less than or equal to minimum degree of G. So option C is also incorrect. Less than maximum degree, this option is correct because k dash less than or equal to delta, and delta will be always less than or equal to maximum degree of graph G. So we can easily say it will be always less than or equal to maximum degree of graph G. Less than the maximum degree of graph G. So option D is correct option. Now let us solve. Actually, if you observe, then all these options are incorrect. No option is proper in this 14th MCQ. Equal to maximum degree, it is not possible, but sometimes it is possible also. If you consider K3 has maximum degree 2, minimum degree is also 2, and edge connectivity is also 2. So don't write this MCQ. It is all options are confusing. So we cannot say option D is also correct. Equal to minimum degree, or write in option C less than or equal to. Less than or equal to minimum degree of G. Then the option C will be correct option. Option D is also incorrect option. If you write all these options as it is, or as they have given, then all 4 options are incorrect option, because we can find counter example for every option. So modify the MCQ C to less than or equal to minimum degree of G, and option C will be correct option. Now last MCQ is, if G is a simple graph and minimum degree D in graph G is at least P minus 2, then K is equal to D, K less than D, K greater than D, none of this. So we have given a graph G on P vertices, and minimum degree is D, which is P minus 2. So G PQ is a graph, and D, that is minimum degree, is P minus 2. So first let us consider an example. This example. Here minimum degree is 1. This is A, B and C. In this graph G, D is equal to 1, P is equal to 3. So D is equal to 3 minus 2. So given conditions are satisfied by this graph, that is G is a simple graph and D is equal to P minus 2. Now let us count the vertex connectivity of graph G. K means vertex connectivity. So if I remove C, so G minus C, then graph will be disconnected. So for this graph G, K is equal to 1. Now I am considering this graph. For this graph, P is equal to 4 and D is equal to 2, that is 4 minus 2. We should have D is equal to P minus 2. This is V1, V2, V3 and V4. So if I remove V1, then graph will be V2, V3, V4. That is not disconnected graph. So we have to remove another one vertex. So I am removing V3. Then graph will be G minus V2, V1 minus V3. Is a disconnected graph. So for this graph, K is equal to 2. That is minimum degree. So in first graph, K is equal to 1. That is equal to D. Here D is equal to 1. And K is also equal to 1. Here K is equal to 2 and D is also equal to 2. So from this we cannot conclude that K is equal to D. K is equal to D. but we can remove option, or we can say that k less than d is not possible always, because we are getting two examples where k is not less than d as well as k is not greater than d, and k is equal to d is possible. So k is equal to d is possible, so none of this will be incorrect option. So option A is correct option. So in this we have discussed all the MCQs in practical number 2. In our next video we are going to discuss another examples. Thank you.